And back home, recession is proving to be a bad time for placements, and even IIT graduates haven't fared well, with only 1 out of every 2 students getting offers. But there is one story of remarkable grit and determination of a student who has come from a remote tribal village. Despite tremendous odds, he fought his way through school and got through the IIT. Now he has 2 job offers and is dreaming big. Sonia Sarkar has this report.
From a small Chhattisgarh village to the Indian Institute of Technology in Delhi. It's been an amazing journey for 22-year-old Lohar Sainag. He is graduating this year and already has 2 offers despite the recession. He is the first one in his family to go to school.
एक दिन हुआ यूं कि मेरी मम्मी आंगनवाड़ी से दलिया ला के दी और उसको जब मैं खाया तो आई फाउंड दैट वाज द वेरी टेस्टी. आई स्टार्टेड टू गो आंगनवाड़ी.
He managed to do his BTech from Raipur through scholarships. After working for a while, Lohar decided to do his post-graduation from IIT. And at a time when only 50% of IITians have been placed, 2 offers are testament to his hard work.
I feel proud myself.
And after fulfilling most of his dreams, he is now dreaming big for his village.
साल 2010 में 2 स्कॉलरशिप शुरू करने वाला हूँ. 2 स्टूडेंट के लिए जो स्कॉलरशिप शुरू करने वाला हूँ वो ऐसे स्टूडेंट के लिए रहेगा जो टैलेंटेड होंगे, बट बिकॉज ऑफ द शॉर्टेज ऑफ द मनी दे कांट स्टडी.
Lohar, who has struggled all through his life to reach where he is now, strongly feels that the government should start scholarships for first-generation learners across villages in India to ensure that those who are deserving get an opportunity to get into the mainstream.
फर्स्ट जनरेशन लर्नर के लिए सरकार को कुछ करना चाहिए. गांव में बहुत ऐसे लोग रहते हैं जो पैसे के कारण नहीं पढ़ पाते. टैलेंटेड तो होते हैं बट पैसे के कारण पढ़ नहीं पाते. ऐसे लोगों को आइडेंटिफाई करना चाहिए.
In New Delhi, with camera person Vedival, Sonia Sarkar for NDTV.